Hello,
guys.
everyone. Hello.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to our live stream
today. Yeah, thank you for your participating. So,
Yeah.
maybe as usual, at the very first beginning, we're gonna test our voice and video, right? So you can also greeting the people from the worldwide in the chat panel, or let us know the feedback. How is the voice quality and the video quality? Is everything all right?
Yeah. So if you guys can hear us and see us, please let us know. If you have some problem, with the connection, also let us know. Okay. Well, we're gonna take a little bit time, 3-5 minutes before we actually get started. So yeah, guys.
A lot of people are joining, I guess.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello, Adam. Hello, Alex.
Yeah.
Hello, Booty. Hello, Mikhail. Hello,
Thanks
John.
for joining us today. So
Hi,
in today's live streaming, we also prepare a lot of content for you guys and also some surprises. So if you want to invite people, maybe it's the time, because we're still gonna need maybe 1 to 2 minutes to see if everything is all right before we get started for today's section and wait for more people to join together. So how is everything going on your side? Maybe you can let us know that.
Let us know.
We can see your comments,
Hello,
we can
Kevin.
see your feedback.
Sounds and looks good too, from UK. Thank you, Kevin.
Thank you.
Hi, Nazim. Nazim
is here.
Nazim
Hi,
Rustamov. Is that our Nazim?
Yes, that's our Nazim.
Okay.
So guys, how is everything going on your side? It's raining heavily here.
Yeah, raining heavily. And in an afternoon.
All right, so let's see if we
hi, welcome on.
You maybe noticed that we already got the our colleagues. They are also in the chat panel. They will stand by today. That means if you guys do have any question or if you have any concern or anything else you want to know about Yeastar Workplace, you can drop any questions you have in the chat panel. Our colleagues will be answering you as soon as possible. And in today's live streaming, it's a little bit different from the previous one, because we've prepared some interactive sections with you guys. So you can stay tuned with us, and then we will figure out those interactions together in this live streaming. All right. Maybe I guess it's the time for us to get started. Thank you for your feedback.
Thank you so much for your feedback. So
let's get started.
Let's get started, okay?
Well, you guys can actually see that the topic of today's live streaming is to put the right pieces together. That is to say that now Yeastar Workplace is a complete
Are we
solution.
going to introduce ourselves?
Sorry, my bad. Too excited about it. So, I'm Horace with Yeastar training team. If you guys probably have seen me previously, and today I've also invited Ramon, my boss,
once again
to join this live streaming together.
Well, I'm Ramon. Well, this is Horace. He's obviously very, very excited to talk with you guys.
Jump into the topic. Yes.
So let's do this, okay? People know us already.
Of course. So actually, a couple of weeks or a month ago, we just had a very huge event for this year of Yeastar. It's the Yeastar Day, right? 2022. And in this Yeastar Day, actually, we just released our 2 brand new solutions of Yeastar Workplace. The first one is the desk booking system, and the second one will be the visitor management system. Those 2 systems, they are brand new to you guys, I believe. And we also promised during the Yeastar Day, we are gonna have another live streaming to give you guys more detailed introduction, because last time we didn't really get a chance to do that.
So this is it.
We are here right now.
So today we will give you thorough introduction over the 2 brand new solutions.
We're gonna walk you through the live demo. You will be able to try out some features maybe by yourself with us today. So speak of this one, actually we got a special offer prepared for the participants today. Is that because, like we mentioned, we're gonna have some interactive sections into this live streaming. So now it's your time to apply for the free trial of Yeastar Workplace. Actually, you can find the application link in the chat panel already, I guess. And what's the special offer? That is, anyone who applies for the Yeastar Workplace free trial today will be able to get extra 30 days free trial.
Yeah,
so that would be more than the usual ones. That's what we prepared for only the participants of today's live streaming.
Yeah, exactly. And at the same time, we know that some of you guys have already applied for the free trial of the room booking system.
Yes,
right?
previously.
So you can just simply switch to another email box and try to apply for it again. And this way you will get another 30 days for your free trial.
So through this free trial, not just the meeting room booking system, but you can also try out the 2 new solutions we are going to talk about today.
Yeah.
And one more thing, not just for the extra 30 days, because in today's live streaming, we're going to go through some, live demo together in which maybe you can participate with us, use this account you applied right now, and find out how this system works. We will also have some interactions with you later.
Yeah, everything is cloud-based, so there's no installation required. You just jump in and you can try it out. Try it out with us. And one more time, this time the free trial will include all 3 new solutions.
Yes, that's true. And the application link is already available. Right. Next part, of course, we got some, surprises, or let's say the prizes prepared for you guys as well.
Special offer.
Yes, that is at the end of today's live streaming. We're gonna have a lucky draw session. In this lucky draw session, we're gonna pick up one lucky guy from the, from your participants. So you've already submitted those information previously to enter this lucky draw, I guess. And if you haven't, here you still got a chance to do that. So you can find the link, all right, to enter the lucky draw.
Our colleague will send out the link right now.
Sure, of course. And what will you get? All right, you can see from here. First of all, there will be a brand new visitor screen. That's a very important part of our visitor management system. So you will get a chance to get it for free. And the second one, we will also send out the coupon for $699. You can use this coupon to purchase anything in Yeastar Workplace, the related subscription plan. So all those 2 prizes are going to one winner. All right. So please don't hesitate to participate and stay tuned with us till the end.
Okay. So this is pretty much what we're going to do today, right? So let's jump
into the topic.
To the first one.
Okay. So the first one, of course, we're going to talk about is the desk booking system. I guess this is the first thing we need to introduce to you guys firstly. But here comes the first question. Like, why do we need the desk booking system, or what kind of scenarios maybe we need it? Because I do believe that for most participants today, well, desk booking system can be something not that familiar to them. So maybe this is the first question. We want you guys to understand like why and what kind of scenarios this is needed.
So first, to really explain this, let's see a number first.
Sure.
Okay. Well, it's already here. The thing is, nowadays, about 70% of the workspace is still empty. This number is according to our research.
So here, this number actually tells us that till now, till this moment, well, worldwide, we still got a lot of spaces, they are empty, they are not used yet. That is, I guess, because most of our enterprises or businesses, they are turning to the hybrid work.
Well, the thing is, guys, 30% of the office space is used. 70% of them is empty. But the company is still running. The business is going on normally. What does this tell us? Well, it tells us that even though the people are not entirely in the office, still with the modern technology, with the collaboration tools like Teams, like VoIP, people can still work together.
We can still stay connected and keep our efficiency.
And this way the company can run normally, yet at the same time, people can, people don't have to stay physically at one office, right? So
this is a let's say a choice we've got nowadays, the hybrid work, and also we do understand that for each company, for each business owner, it's very important that they need to find a sustainable, tool or way to keep their businesses for nowadays.
This is actually crucial
Yeah.
for the business. So we can actually see this number from two angles,
Yes.
right? So first of all, for the company, for the business owners, for the people who's in charge of the businesses. Well, the thing is, as you can see from the number, 66% of the executives are considering adopting
reorganize their office spaces,
Yeah.
so they can adapt to the hybrid work. Well, this is the first data.
Yeah.
I guess the biggest reason is that they see the benefits.
Yeah.
Like, why do I, go to or turn to the hybrid work? Is because, like you mentioned, first of all, you can save us some cost.
Yeah.
Because
a lot of cost.
Yeah, I can just eliminate those, useless spaces.
70% of them.
Yeah, but still keep, efficient, connected with the whole team.
Imagine 70% of the workspace is not going to be used, right? So this way you can save a lot on the rent, on the energy consumption, on the maintenance,
and
everything. A lot. And under this condition, if the company can run under a certain level of efficiency, then it's a very good situation.
Sure, of course. So this is the first angle, right, from the company's perspective.
Yeah.
And the second angle we would like to show you today will be from the personal perspective, because employees, they are also a very important part in every workplace, I guess. So here, we also got another data to show you. For employees, there is an estimate number. By 2024, we will have about 5 million people that will adapt to this hybrid work. And this number is rising about 150% compared to the number we got in 2020. So that's a huge increase.
Yeah. So the people who actually go out there and do their job and make the company work are actually, making their choices, right? They prefer a hybrid work or more flexible way to, complete their task.
Sure. So this is some data we can see. And like we mentioned, we can make a little wrap up maybe about the trend. We can see that hybrid work is bringing us a lot of benefits. And we can actually say that this is going to be the trend. Because you can see from all those data, it's here already. The hybrid work is here already. And it's going to be our future, going to be trending, of course, with no doubt. But here comes another question. Since the hybrid work can bring us so many benefits, but why they are still not so popular yet? Maybe we can share a little bit with participants today.
Well, the thing is, there are still obstacles, there are still problems because people are not together. So for companies, they have to make sure that the people are collaborating with each other at the right level of efficiency. Only in this way can we make sure that the company is working right.
So like Ramon just mentioned, of course there are a lot of benefits, but there are also some problems. So if you want to reach to the hybrid work, we need to solve all those problems first. Otherwise, you may find it very difficult to realize that. And these problems, we can also take a look from two perspectives. The first one is also for the owner, the business owner. I guess this is kind of like their responsibility to provide the tool, or let's say solution, to make sure that their employees will be able to get the desk they need when they arrive their office, right? Because under hybrid work, it's pretty important. It's kind of like similar with what we call the hot desking.
Hot desking, And in other situations, like when if office has adopted to co-working mode, like for example, there are multiple companies who rent the same space, right? Well, for the real estate owner, they have to make sure that their facilities, that is to say, the desks and all other, equipment are being used and coordinated correctly.
So this is also important, the co-working scenario. And the third one about those, something we call it the desk hoteling can be also very important nowadays because we need to adapt to some workplace rules. Every company, we may have our totally different rules. So in this way, how to ensure that we can follow our company's rule and get our available desks. Sometimes we call it the desk hoteling. This is the third scenario where the desk booking system can be applied to.
So, well, there are so many scenarios, right?
Of course.
But we need to show our audiences how exactly is this system going to work.
Yeah.
Going to help with us, going to satisfy all the requirements under all those three scenarios, right?
Yeah, so previously we talked about a lot of problems.
Yeah.
Next step, please just follow us.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you how do we eliminate all those problems.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have applied for the let's say free trial previously, maybe this is the time you can join with us.
Yeah.
Here we prepared a live demo section. So now we are switching to our interface of Yeastar Workplace.
Yeah.
And if you do have an account right now, well, you can just follow us to see how it works.
Yeah.
First of all, once you log into your own account, this is the first thing you're gonna see. It will be the floor map. Well, this is obviously a map, I guess it's pretty obvious to all of you guys. Well, speak of the floor map, maybe something you can see that first, I can get many information from it, right? For example, all those different dots that actually means the desk's resources we are having in our company, because now I'm logging as a user, I need to book a desk, that's what I'm gonna do. And more than that, right next to it, here you can find out we use several different colors to represent different status of these desks. That means you can easily find out the real-time availability of it.
Yeah, and, just like we show here, there are 2 tables are actually occupied,
in use, and one desk is being booked.
Yeah.
So now I'm a user, so I'm gonna book a desk, right? Of course. Here I can just select a time period. For example, I can just select a random time duration. Just forget about it. I'm just gonna show you guys that. So during this time duration, you can see the map will tell me which desks are available. Well, for example, I'm gonna click this one, all right? I prefer this one because I can see, the location. Maybe it's next to the window, right? You can find out the layout of this whole floor and find out the facilities and so on.
Yeah, like you can make your choice. Which position do you prefer? Like there's bathroom, there's coffee maker, there's meeting room as well. So
maybe you have your preferences for the desks. So here I can just click this reserve, and then this window will pop up. After that, I can just double check like the desk information duration. This is me, and then if needed, I can make it a recurrent desk booking. After that, I can just simply
if it is allowed by the system.
So we have the rules for that, and then click save. You can see that I can let's say ensure this desk will be available for me under this time duration.
It is labeled my desk.
Of course, you can also click this button to view all your upcoming desk booking schedule. Right, this is how it works. This is the first thing. So now I just already, solved the problems that I need to book a desk in advance, right? So when this is the time duration, when I arrive my office, I will be able to find the desk that I'm going to use. This is the first thing, very important. Second one, demo I would like to show you guys today. Well, maybe you already noticed that up this, floor map, we can find out some filters. Of course, you can use them to filter specific conditions. For example, I'm gonna book a desk for next week or something. You can use them. But what I would like to show you guys today will be this search bar. First of all, you can search the desk, and maybe you notice that we got a meeting room option. That's actually very interesting. Or you've maybe already noticed that there is something different. With the desks, right? Some larger, let's say,
this is obviously a meeting room.
So for a office, for a floor, maybe desk is not the only spaces resources we have. We may have some meeting room, and here we got it associated with the meeting room booking system. That means through this floor map, not just for the desks, you can also book a meeting room easily by mouse clicking.
In the same way.
To check the real-time availability. Right. This is really helpful. And what's more, this is not the end of it. This feature is really powerful. The next thing will be the user. Right. Maybe you already noticed that. I guess this is a very important part for team collaboration. Like Ramon just mentioned. Now people, they are separated. They are not staying together all the time physically. So in this way, how can I ensure the collaboration can be a problem? But now with this tool, well, I'm just gonna show you. For example, today I'm looking for Shay, who is the sales director of our Yeastar Workplace. So I can just type in his name here, right? Then the system will tell me where he sits, right? Here it is, and then I can just simply click it. You can see that it will just guide me to this specific position. So I'm gonna show you here. This is easier to find out. So this is it. And in this case, maybe I'm gonna discuss with him like the live streaming, right? So I can just book a desk nearby. And then we will be able to have the chance to face-to-face talk to each other. This is the first one. And another example, today, if I'm looking for Wendy, because I also need to discuss with her for something, here you can see that we can also find out some information. And if I click it, then you can see that the system will jump to her locations for me.
So first things first, if your company comes with multiple levels, multiple buildings, all the floors, all the layouts will be included in our system. And you can jump around between them. And second of all, I can't help but notice that, well, this map looks totally different than the one we showed you, showed the audiences. So this is pretty, let's say, interesting. But you guys must be curious about, like, how do we make it, right? About the floor map. How do we make it work? Or how can I get the floor map? Actually, I guess that's the job for the managers in the company. Because now I'm just a user. And for a user, I just need to book. That's it. Or to manage my schedule. So if you want to find out how to, upload or manage your map, let's just switch to the management portal. You guys can see the button here. Let me click it. And then I will jump into this one. All right. Here, of course, the map configuration belongs to the company settings. And down here, we got the building management because this is a part of it. I believe it's quite easy to understand. And then we will jump into this one. So here in this section, you may find out, like Ramon just gave the example, we may have multiple buildings, right? The branches, offices, and in one headquarter, maybe you have multiple floors. This is quite easy to understand. So this one, you can see that we already got some existing ones. That's because we uploaded by ourselves previously. But if you want to, configure that, you can just click this map configuration. Then the system will jump into it. Well, let me just zoom out so you can better see this, map. All right, this is how it looks like. Well, now I guess the most important thing is that we got so many resources, the desks, the meeting rooms, majorly those two resources. How do we assign them? Right? For example, this desk is here, but not here. Why is that? How can I manage that? I guess this can be, interesting to you guys. Let's show the guys.
Of course, on the left side, you can see the unmarked resources. Maybe I can take this meeting room as an example. So I'm gonna just use my mouse to drag and drop it to the specific location. Right next to it, you guys can see that I can use my mouse to drag and drop to simply adjust the position. And on the right side, you can see the icon style and the size of it. And what's very important, you can customize some other information here. But the key point for today will be the desks, right? It's the same. If it's not here, we can just simply click this desk. And then choose the icon style you prefer. For example, I'm gonna keep them the same, all right? All the dots. So I can just simply click here and drag, sorry. But yeah, anyway, I can just drag and drop. Just leave it. And if you click it, on the right side, you guys can see that you will be able to do configuration as well. This is the thing, all right? Not just to add those desks or the resources, you can also manage and configure them in this interface. For example, the desk name, you can just number it. And then the desk type, well, we got two types. The first one will be permanent desk. I guess it's quite easy to understand. That means this desk will be assigned to a user permanently. For example,
so not available for others to book it.
Only these people can use it, like our maybe camera group.
Like Shay had a
permanent desk. It's here. So maybe they have this need, right? Or they have a lot of devices they need to put on the desk so they cannot change it. Then we can assign a permanent desk and then assign a user here. But for some other scenarios, we can also set it up as the flexible desk. So that means that it's designed for...
It is available for booking.
This kind of scenario. Here, you can also set up the booking permissions for different people, right? So you can select which department or individual, they have the permission to book this desk.
Specify the availability.
And you have maybe noticed that this one, That's something very interesting. That is
devices.
our smart devices. Well, you know that in the meeting room booking system, we also got some IoT devices provided by Yeastar.
Yeah.
And here, we also got one in the desk booking system now. So how about let's just show them. Well, Ramon is actually holding it right now. Maybe
it's pretty small.
Yeah.
This is how small it is.
But here we got a picture.
For you guys. Yeah.
This way. I don't know. So here you can see that this is how it looks like. And these smart devices in the desk booking system is our occupancy sensor.
Yeah.
It's mounted on the desk, or let's say under the desk.
Under the desk.
And it can detect the real-time occupancy of this desk.
Yeah. If there are actually people sitting there.
Yes.
Right.
Some information like this is if it's occupied or not. And what's really good, when it detects that nobody is there for a time duration, the auto release will be triggered.
Yeah. So, well, it's just like when it comes to the meeting room booking system, right? So if somebody make the reservation to the desk but doesn't show up, this desk will be automatically released by the system and make it available again.
Yes, sure. So this is how you can use this to do the map configuration. And after that, everything is ready. We can just simply click save because it's all under your control.
Yeah.
Right. You can see that this name is existing, so I can just type in any number.
All right. Name.
Yeah. Okay. I can just click save it. Then it's saved successfully.
Yeah. Well,
all right.
Yeah, I have a question. The thing is, well, the style of the two maps that you just show are totally different.
Yeah, one is like this, and I guess another one is like this.
Yeah. How do we actually make this map? Can we assemble this map in the system?
Yeah, for this one, the thing is that, first of all, we want you guys to know that you will have the permission to upload these maps all by yourself. So let me just show you here. For example, I got one floor, it doesn't have any map yet, right? So you can see that. There we don't have any map. So I can just click this button. And then I can select a picture from my local. So I can just click it. Then this will be uploaded successfully. All right, and then you can just, like what we did, click this map configuration.
Is this the real layout of our?
Probably, maybe this
looks
is
very
similar, right? So this may be the real layout of our company. This is the first one how you can do that. And first of all, like we said, you can upload it and you can just draw it out by yourself. But we do understand that there might be some scenarios, maybe you find it difficult or you don't know how to
You don't actually
manage
have a map.
Yeah, so in this case, we would like to help as well. That means if you do have those, requirements, you need our assistance to get this map for you. Well, we will be able to do that as well.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
This is about the map, all right? So if you want us to help you, maybe we will need your draft or something like that. But don't hesitate to contact us. Like we said, we are willing to help, of course.
Yeah, we're willing to help. So here we are.
This is basically like the map.
Yeah.
Maybe one last thing about the desk management. Yeah, we can talk about the settings, about some rules. Because like we mentioned, this kind of solution is very important. Every company, you may have your different rules. You want to adapt to your own workplace strategies and rules. So in this case, we can just jump into the desk and down here click the desk preferences. Here you got all the settings. You can make sure everything is under your control. For example, the notification settings, and we got for example, the maximum booking duration for a desk. It can be unlimited, but normally maybe every company, the business hours will be 8 hours. You can set up the rule. And the minimum booking duration, also of course, we got the auto release detection time duration. So all those things, it can be customized by yourself. But one very interesting thing is that you may find these strategies a little bit similar to the meeting room booking system.
It is, but well, the initial time is different.
Some difference can be the time duration. Well, the reason is actually when our R&D team is designing this product, we also take this into consideration because the desk booking system and the meeting room booking system, they are both managing our, or scheduling our office spaces.
But they are used under different scenarios.
Sure, so that's the reason.
So the time you take for a meeting or to work on your desk is totally different. So we make some little changes here. Yeah.
Of course, this is about those rules. Well, I guess that's pretty much about what we like to share with you, right? For the system at this time. And also, I do believe you got the free trial link already, so you can also try out by yourself. Don't hesitate to do that. Well, that's for what we have in this one, but we would also like to share further with you guys about the desk booking system. So the next part we would like to share with you guys is kind of like the roadmap of the desk booking system. We want to show you something.
Well, here we go.
I guess the first thing comes to your mind will be this picture. There is a something. It's also the hardware devices, right? It's called desk screen.
Before we actually get into it, this is 5 minutes countdown for the lucky draw application.
This is a reminder. So guys, if you haven't entered the lucky draw list, you still have 5 more minutes, and this is the last call.
Yeah, this is the last call. So our colleague will send out the link, and you can apply for it.
Okay, don't miss out this chance. All right, so do it right now, and let's get back to the desk screen. Actually, this is just a picture. I don't think that's enough for our audience. Do we have the?
Well,
here it is.
Here we go.
Okay. Once you see this device, guys, what it tells, that means it's coming real soon. Otherwise, we won't be able to have it.
But it's a real equipment. It's not a prototype. It's not a model.
So it's on Ramon's hand. And I'm sorry it's not that easy to see it clear, but I can explain it to you. First of all, you can find some information on it. For example, the desk number, the status, the booking user, and also the booking duration. And you may find there is a QR code that's actually for you to check in for your desk booking. So this is what we can realize in this one. But it actually really looks like a paper from the picture.
Well, it's not a paper. If it's a paper, we won't call it a desk screen.
But it's different from the normal screens that we see.
So the thing is, it is not an LED screen, but it's an e-ink screen.
Well, this is understandable. So it looks quite, familiar with like the Kindle or something like that. It's e-ink.
It looks very much like a paper.
But why do we go with e-ink screen? This might be a question.
Well, actually, we consider more traditional way, like LED screen. The thing is, LED is way more expensive, and at the same time, it's way more energy consuming.
Yes. Of course.
So we think about it. The thing is, first of all, if we use LED, then it means we're gonna have to keep a power cord, for example, to keep the LED screen working. So it can be a little bit difficult to install, and so when it comes to an e-ink screen, well, what we need is a battery, and it's an embedded battery, so the installation is a lot easier and it consumes way less energy.
Yeah, that's a huge topic.
Yeah, so morally, economically, it is a better choice for us.
Eco-friendly. Yeah, so this is pretty important about the desk screen, and since Ramon is holding it right now, it's coming real soon.
Really?
Yes, I can tell that.
Right now?
Yeah, it's coming very soon.
Okay.
So this is about the desk screen we would like to share with you guys.
Okay, perfect. Well, guys, so guys, stay tuned.
Okay, if you want more information, maybe after this one, you can also contact our team, right? So that's basically what we would like to share with you guys about the desk booking system. So next one, actually, because this is a solution, a lot of details, a lot of information today, we've prepared a poll for you guys. So here, you can see that this is in the chat panel, I guess, because I cannot see that. So it's probably in the chat panel already. You guys must notice that. Maybe you can check here.
It's already here.
Okay, so maybe can you
so we have a couple of questions. Which of the following features will be used for desk screen? Okay, we have 3 options. LED status, that means probably you don't want an LED screen, but you want a little LED indicator, and LED light on it, just to tell you whether more, with color, if it's occupied or not.
Some status and information.
And one-click service is the other option.
Yeah, that is like once you press the button, maybe you are looking for the IT service, cleanup service, sort of things like that.
Yeah.
And the third one
is calendar integration.
Yes, that is very easy to understand, right?
Yeah. If you want your screen to integrate with the calendar, maybe to show the calendar, show your schedule.
Yeah, so because we just introduced this desk screen and we want to make it even more powerful, follow your requirements, your opinions. So it's really important for our, further innovation.
Yeah.
Please do let us know that your feedback about it.
Yeah.
All right, while you guys are still answering that, maybe I guess we can jump into the next section.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think we can do that.
Okay, so just let us know your idea about it. In the second one, of course, I guess you already realized that we're going to talk about the visitor management system.
Yeah, visitor management system. This is another new solution that we offer for our customers.
Yes, but first of all, right, as usual, why? And what kind of scenarios do we need this kind of solution? This is the first question we want to figure out.
Yeah. Okay. Visitor management system is a system where we, manage the visitors. We have now booking room system, room booking system, and desk booking system.
Yes.
These are for facilities.
Spaces scheduling.
Yeah.
But what's very important as well is the people in the company or the visitors for your company.
Yeah.
This is a common solution in many areas and industries. This can be a trend. So, but the thing is that, like usual, back to the traditional ways, there are so many problems like in the visitor management system.
Yeah, the thing is, in traditional ways, the whole process is heavily rely on the people who is in charge.
Yes.
So there will be problems, there will be mistakes, things will get stuck up, people will have to wait. There are so many problems. But our goal is to make it, here comes the keyword, totally automatic.
Yeah.
A automatic process to deal with your visitors receiving procedures. So this way everything will go smoothly, efficiently, and of course no mistake will be making, and no mistake will be made, and of course the visitors will get a very good impression of your company. Yeah.
Well, I guess that's not easy to understand only by us, saying that.
Let's show you.
Today, we're gonna show you that in this live streaming, it's also going to be a live demo section.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a role play. It's kind of like I'm now the employee of the company, and Ramon today will be my visitor. We're gonna show you the whole process. If I'm trying to invite Ramon to visit our company, how does it work? How can we make it easier for this process?
Yeah.
So now you can see that this is the interface of the visitor management system. First of all, normally if you're trying to invite somebody to your company, you're gonna set up a schedule, right, and inform to let the visitor know. So it's automatic now. How does it work? We can simply click this invite to create this invitation schedule. First of all, it will be the subject and time duration, easy. And then the name and email address, well, we can set up maybe Ramon for his email address. All right, so this is how we leave this information because this is important. Later, Ramon will just receive the notification about this schedule through this email address. And then the building and floor, this can be very important.
We will inform the location of this visit.
If you have multiple ones, just specify one here. And then something very interesting is the meeting room. That's something you don't really see, in other solutions. Here, normally if you have visitors, it's a really, great chances that you are gonna have a meeting or discussion. Then of course you will need a space for that. So in this case, our visitor management system also is successfully, coordinated with our meeting room booking system. But you can find out that some of the meeting rooms are available, some of them are not optional. That is because here we set up a time duration. So the system will automatically filter the available ones during the specific time duration. Let me just choose this one, for example. And then the type. Well, the type actually decided the the workflow.
The following workflow.
Of your company. So here maybe for Ramon, I'm gonna select a contractor here.
So all the workflow are pre-configured. You don't have to do anything extra. You just choose the type, and the assigned workflow will be applied to this visitor automatically. Automatic keyword.
So then this is the host. Well, for by the default setting, the host will be the one that's creating this schedule. But if needed, you can add some other people, you know, to cooperate with you. For example, I'm gonna add a whole sales team. And then click confirm. You can see that all these people they are selected will pop up here. What's very important, back to the old days, maybe you don't have a way or tool to inform all those people involved in this in this visit.
You will have to go around, send out messages, maybe write an email, copy everybody. But now everything will be done automatically by the system. So everybody who's involved will receive a message and they will be notified.
Because this is a role play. So let's say now I finished the schedule creating, I can just simply click OK. Then Ramon will receive a notification about this immediately. So he's checking his mobile now.
It's on it, but I guess it's a little bit difficult for us to show the guys.
So here, maybe, that's it. We can just show it in this way. He already got the email, but it's hard for you to see clearly. But here you can see that we got a sample for you. This is how it looks like for the email. Well, it's actually on his mobile, but it exactly looks like the same with this picture. You can see that. So here, first of all, you will be able to get all the information. For example, the location, topic, time,
everything
duration.
Is here.
All the information needed. The second thing, very important, also a very good way to improve your experience of your visiting. Well, let me ask you in this way. If you're going to visit let's say people in a building, once you enter the lobby, what the receptionist will ask you to do?
They will ask me to do a whole bunch of paperwork.
That's the questionnaire, right? Because as a company, they will generate some information from you, like your name, purpose, and so on. But normally that's really time consuming. Because there might be so many people in the queue, so you need to wait for them and fill in those questionnaire, right?
It's one of the main reasons why your lobby got stuck up.
But you may notice from this picture, we got something called you can click here, right? To enter the questionnaire. That means you can answer these questions according to the type we just selected, and then you will be able to fill in those questionnaire in advance.
So
when you arrive, you don't need to do that again.
You do it at home, so you don't have to wait there, right?
Now, I guess we are all set. Because in this,
I am all set.
You are all set. So you got invited, and then you fill in the questionnaire in advance. You are ready. Now you are heading to my building. Right? So this is the process. And when you arrive the building, I guess something is that we need to let the host know that you are here. Right? How do we let them know that? Well, because you schedule for, let's say, 2 p.m., but you may arrive 10 minutes earlier, 30 minutes earlier. How do we let them know that the hosts know that you are already here? It's time to meet up with you. That means when the visitors arrive, there is one thing they should do. That is to check in. Once you check in, everybody who is involved will be notified. And how do you check in? Well, you are holding something, of course, I can tell from the screen. So here, to realize the check-in process, well, I guess maybe that's the bad connection, but just give me a second. I will try to get it connected, all right? So this is the visitor screen. All right, guys, give us 1 second. I'm gonna make sure the connection is stable. For the visitor screen, that's what we prepared for this solution. Through that, you will be able to realize the check-in process in the lobby. First of all, you guys can see that this screen looks pretty good, right? It's a very, very good design.
You guys didn't get a chance to see that.
We are still configuring the network connection, but it's almost ready. Just 1 second. So it's loading. We just lost the connection of the network. Okay, here it's working now. You can see how it looks like. First of all, this desk screen will be displayed on the front desk of your lobby.
The receptionist.
So here is a welcome message, some background picture, and what's important, the QR code.
Yeah.
Through this QR code, once you fill in all your information, when you arrive, you can just scan it, and then you can check in successfully.
Yeah. So the system will match your identity and match your registration info, and the system will know, okay, so this guy, I am
already
checking
here.
in.
Yeah,
so,
successfully. Time to meet up with you. I will just know that.
So the system will send up a notification automatically to Horace and everybody who is included. Yeah.
All right. So this is this whole process, and if I have booked the meeting room, I can just go to the meeting room with Ramon right now.
Yeah.
Well, this is done.
Yeah,
this whole process is done. You can see it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. And another thing, another common situation, because this is the most common one, but another common situation is that sometimes you are not invited. You are just like on-site visitor. You just walk in. So in this scenario, this visitor screen also can help. You can see this QR code. That means, of course, you don't have to wait in the queue, fill in the paper sheets, paperwork. You can just use this automatic system to register on site and check in successfully. So you can just simply scan this QR code. Well, let me just do that here. So if I can scan it, then you will see that. Let me just scan this QR code using my mobile. And then you will see the registration window will pop up. Just give me 1 second. You will just ask for so many information. It's really hard to see. So, well guys, let's do it in this way. All right, we mentioned it. We got an interactive section. I want you guys to join us together.
So guys, we invite you to scan the QR code here. Put it down a little bit.
Maybe you can see it already. So now, you can scan this QR code on this screen. Let's say you are the visitors of Yeastar building now.
Yeah, you will see the pop-out questionnaires. That is related to the type we select. And once again, as we mentioned, to each guest type, there will be a workflow assigned. According to that.
Yeah, so you can try out by yourself, right? This is a good chance. I'm holding it, so guys, scan it right now.
Scan it right now. His
Before
arm
my arm gets sore. So,
and by the way, everything on this screen is customizable. As you can see, the welcome message, the background picture.
You can upload it
of our building.
Sorry, Ramon.
Let's skip back. Let's skip. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, so people, they are scanning it still. We are gonna leave more time. People, you can see that if you are the on-site visitor, right, you can scan this QR code, fill in the information, and you can get registered successfully and then check in. So you don't have to fill in the paper sheet still. All right, this is very good. It's a very good experience. And by the way, guys, if you still remember our lucky draw, this is one of the prize we will send out. All right, just try out, see how it works. Just in case you will receive it, you know how to use it. All right. I guess that's enough time to show this one.
Okay, that's 1 week worth of exercise for you.
Okay, that's enough. All right, so I do believe you may try out already with us. And then this is the on-site registration. I guess in the near future, we're gonna make this visitor screen even more powerful. All right. So now let's just jump into the management portal.
Please.
Because we want to figure out something else in the management portal. For example, the visit types. So let me just click this management portal.
Let's get into it.
And then, oops. Here you guys can see we can just go to the visit in the navigation bar. And here we want to share with you is about the visit type. Well, if you have scanned the QR code, you may find out all those different selections by yourself already. So for one company, we may have different visit types. We need to generate the information. For example, the visitor. Here we got so many options like the full name, email address, company name, temperature. You can even ask them to upload some file like the picture. Here you will have multiple options. You can just choose the one. And also you can make them like mandatory or optional. This is all your choice. And some other things you can just customize a totally different one. Like for job interviewee, you can ask them what position are you looking for. Some information like this. And after that, you can just make your workflow smooth. So they can just select it.
Automatic.
Fill in all those information. And you can also analyze the percentage of each visit type in the visit report?
Yeah.
Well, this is basically about our visitor management system and how it works. If you have our, maybe you applied for it, you maybe are also trying out with us now.
Yeah. So, should I take this baby off?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
You may get a lock to win it later. Right?
Yeah,
So,
not this one. Not this one.
Not an old one, but you will get a brand new one.
You will get a new
course.
one. Okay, not this one.
Of course. So then I guess still talk about something, the plan, the future
The thing
of
is,
the visitor management system.
Yeah, please. The thing is, this is a sophisticated. We plan it to be a sophisticated solution. So we understand that there are things to do, there are improvements to make. So why don't you let the guys know? Yeah.
Sure, of course. Because we just released about 1 month ago. There are a lot of features will be added soon. The first one will be another way to check in. Previously, you need to hold your mobile and then scan the QR code on the visitor screen. Then you can enter to check in successfully. But in our next upgrade, we will be able to support that once you fill in the questionnaire, you will get a QR code generated on your mobile. So when you arrive, you can just show it to the receptionist. They can just scan the QR code, then you will be checking successfully. So this is a more convenient way to realize check-in. This is the first thing. And the second thing, our visitor management system will be able to integrate with your printer. In this case, you will be able to print out the visitor badge for the visitors. So they can just stick it on the clothes for the identity recognition, and then you can find out some needed information. This is the second one. And the third one, I guess, is a very hot, or let's say very huge topic about this kind of visitor management system. That is the security related features. Well, we understand that for every visitor management system, we do want to build your office as a really secure, safe places for everyone or any visitors. So in our next step, we have two main things to do. The first one, we will add the block list for our visitor management system. You will be able to customize the block list for your own company. That means the people you don't want them to get in, you can just block them in this way. And the second one, our visitor management system will be integrated to the access control system. That means another proof, another protection for your secure office, secure building.
So only the people who successfully check in will be able to, physically enter the building.
Yeah, sure. So this is about the roadmap of the visitor management system. And then I guess it's the time for us to talk about another poll in this one, right? The visitor management. Yeah, it's not ended yet, but almost. So the poll for this visitor management system is that because we want to understand how can we better develop this solution. So we want your idea about what kind of company scale do you think they need the visitor management system?
So please make your choice. The poll is already available in the chat, and you guys can see it.
What options do we have?
We have more than 50 people, more than 200 people, more than 500 people, and more than 1,000 people. So 4 options in total.
Okay. So well, actually, at Yeastar we do have this visitor management system, right? How many people we have?
How do you think in this building?
I'm not sure. In this building, maybe
600-700 something. I'm not 100% sure.
So we can choose more than 500, but
we will
know your idea. We want to know your ideas about it, your opinion. So we can see that how can we develop those features for the different scales of the companies. Right. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you for letting us know your ideas. Okay.
Well, while you guys are still answering that, let's just move to the next part.
Please.
So next part is actually something special we prepared in this section. Is actually the features we are going to have in our next upgrade.
The thing is, the next upgrade will be available in 10 days.
Yes.
We don't really have time for another live stream.
Also, I don't think you guys want to, see too much of us. Probably. Next time, maybe we should switch to other people.
Right.
Okay, so that's the reason. In 10 days, this new upgrade will be released, but we don't really have enough time to get it prepared for everything. So we think it's going to be a good idea if we're
going to talk about it right now.
Yeah, because it's coming really soon.
So in 10 days you guys will have it.
Yes. So this is the first reason. But don't worry, guys. For every major updates, we will have the YouTube video for you guys. So you can also still check out about all those 3 major updates. So let's just introduce. The first one, it will be the Microsoft AD integration.
Microsoft AD integration. It means that our workplace solution will be integrated with Microsoft Active Directory. So in this case, the user's information and organization unit information from the AD will be synchronized to our PBX and be used as organizations and users. So the administrators will have one universal account for both systems, right? And this way, if you have done some changes in the Microsoft AD, and
they will be synchronized, to the platform as well. And by the way, guys, not just for the Microsoft AD, another tool is called OpenLDAP. It's also supported. So if you want to synchronize the information from OpenLDAP,
if you have your own database, you want to make the data exchange with OpenLDAP, it is available.
Supported. All right. And then this is the first one. But like we said, videos coming soon, so stay tuned. And the second one, it's actually something about our identity recognition in our meeting room booking system.
So we will have more control on who are allowed to use the facility.
So here, actually, we have 2 ways to do that, to realize the identity recognition. We're going to show you the first one first. It's the facial recognition, which is a very common way you can find it easily on your mobile, different scenarios. And we prepared a short clip for you. Let's check out this short clip together.
Yeah, please.
Alright, we are still here. That's weird. But anyway.
Short clip indeed.
Short clip indeed. But it's weird we are there. So it's good we have a facial control. We just don't laugh out or something. So this is how it looks like about the identity authentication. You can see that when the meeting is about to start, there is a people standing in front of the room display. And then once this identity is successfully authenticated, the check-in will be successfully done.
So as you see, QR code and
this
facial
is the
recognition.
Second way. QR code is the second way. You can also use your Yeastar Workplace account to scan the QR code and then to check in successfully.
But most people will use facial recognition.
That's really advanced. Try it out, guys.
Try it out.
And still, in 10 days.
In 10 days,
videos
it will be available. And the identity authentication will make no sense at all if we don't integrate with access control.
Well, that's really a good point. But that's the 3rd major updates. It's going to be our access control. Like Ramon just mentioned, this is going to be really, significant. It needs to be associated somehow. So in this upgrade, we can have some,
access control integrated to our system.
Here you guys can see we list out 3 common brands that we can successfully be integrated with. And this is kind of something, if you're using them already, well, great, because you can integrate it already. But if you are considering about to, have your new access control system, you can consider them. This is just a little suggestion. But theoretically, right?
Theoretically, but because our integration is based on DIDO relay. So technically speaking, any access that supports DIDO relay is integratable with us. But if you're not sure, about your access control, if you don't know if it is DIDO relay compatible, well, just talk to us.
Contact our team. We will let you know more details.
And we will find out together.
Okay. So I guess that's pretty exciting because all those 3, they are all some major updates. So I guess that's what we want to share with you guys about the information. But now let's just make a brief wrap up about today's live streaming.
Well, the thing is, guys, we make those 3 solutions now. It is now a complete not totally complete, but
Yeah.
you can see how our solution is going to work, right? The thing is, we plan it to be a futuristic solution. So we understand that maybe in your market you already find a lot of
potential maybe projects
for
opportunities.
this, and or maybe you didn't find them, right? But just as what people say, the future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed, right? We seriously believe that this is going to be the future, and it is going to happen in your local market. But if you don't find any projects now, it's okay. The thing is, now we are getting this solution polished. Just so you know that when you find such opportunity, when such changes has come to your country, come to your city, well, we already have something prepared for you. So you can go for it and seize the opportunity.
Yeah, like Ramon just mentioned, all right, this is going to be the future. This is going to be the trend. A lot of people, they are also mining these opportunities in this kind of field. And also, in today's live streaming, we actually introduce a lot of like potential scenarios who maybe needed this kind of solution. This is our target, and we are waiting for you to explore the market together. Also, we are really willing or happy to offer all the help you need to help you to get these projects or to close the project. That is
Speaking
to say,
of which,
we prepared a special offer for you guys. You can see this is the special offer for your projects. Well, here you guys can see that this is the rule. Actually, this 10% is pretty obvious. That means now, if you can submit your project in the link in the chat panel before December 31st of this year, that's the end of this year, that means you submitted successfully. Then for these projects, you will be able to get extra 10% discount. You will have more benefits of your businesses. But a note, can be that these projects you submitted, it needs to be closed by the middle of 2023. That's the June 13th, 30th, I guess. So this is the simple rule. We do believe there are many opportunities on your hand. So anything related, any projects, no matter which solution they are looking for, or all of them, a complete solution they are looking for, you can submit it right now. Don't hesitate.
We are ready to help you.
Yeah, not just that you can enjoy this 10% extra discount. Another reason is that we also want to offer the help. For example, what kind of features we are missing that can help you to achieve to get this deal, or any help you are looking for. Our team is ready to help. All right.
Please.
And if you want to know more details about Yeastar Workplace, here's our contact information. All right, you can easily contact this email address to schedule a live demo, one-on-one meeting with our team. Okay, I hope so. So this is basically the information we have. And if you want to find out more about this special offer, also contact our team.
Yeah, please.
Right. I guess now it's going to be the last part.
Yeah, lucky draw.
Waiting for. So now we've already imported all the list to our wheel. You guys can see that everyone is here. So now we're gonna spin the wheel and then pick up the lucky guy. And let me remind you again, the price is first one, a brand new visitor screen, just like this. All right, so this is really your baby. You like holding it. So the second thing, $699 coupon to subscribe, Yeastar Workplace subscription plan. All right, so maybe why don't you do the honor to spin the wheel?
All right. So let's just hold my baby.
Okay, I will hold your baby for you.
This is not how you hold a baby, but it's okay. Okay, let's spin the wheel and see who will win the prize.
Okay,
there
the
we go.
wheel is spinning right now. Let's see who's the
winner goes to Mohammed Mubin. Mohammed,
congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right, so our team will be in touch with you shortly to get your address and then send out these prizes to you. So please stay tuned, and we will be in touch with you shortly.
Yeah.
All right, for those who actually, didn't win the lucky draw, guys, don't feel frustrated, because like we said today, we got the extra 30 days free trial is still available. So try out first. All right, and then if you have projects, also we got a special offer. So for more information, please just don't hesitate to contact our team. Here again, the contact information. And once again, this is like the last part of today's live streaming to put the right pieces together. That means all those 3 individual solutions, you can go one of them or all of them. Just make your own choice and according to a real case need. But just know that Yeastar is here for you. Yeastar Workplace is here for you. All right. So I guess maybe we can find, if we got some questions, maybe.
Well, our colleague have already taken care of all the questions.
That's really
thank
good.
you. Thank you guys.
Super.
Thank you. And thank you guys so much for participate this live streaming.
Yes. Okay. So I guess
this time it's not me. Adam is disappointed. Well.
You still get a chance. We will have a lot of activities like this in the near future. All right, so I guess that's pretty much for today.
I guess so.
Probably. All right, so guys, thanks again for participating in today's live streaming. Hope you guys find it useful in the in your business. And please don't hesitate to contact us if you want to know more about Yeastar and Yeastar Workplace. All right, so guys, enjoy. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, and see you next time.